Hey guys, welcome to Gourmet Secrets. I'm Chef Patrick, and today we're going to be making my jalapeno white cheddar cornbread muffins. They're super moist and bursting with flavor. I promise you're going to love them. Let me show you how I make them. You're going to need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, a ½ cup of sugar. Give that a good mix. A teaspoon of salt, 3½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1 cup of chopped jalapeno peppers seeded and ribs removed. Mix in 1 egg. And here's my secret. I add 1 8½ ounce can of cream corn that's going to give you great moisture and texture in your muffins. 1 cup of milk. I use buttermilk for this. About a ½ cup of shredded sharp white cheddar cheese, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Give that a good mix until well combined. Take an ice cream scoop and scoop your batter into a sprayed muffin pan. It should yield about 12 muffins. Bake at 400 degrees for about 23 minutes or until golden brown. You're going to end up with the most flavorful, moist corn muffins you've ever put in your mouth. Look at those jalapeno peppers and corn pieces sitting there. I promise you're going to love them. You are welcome. Bye.